Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a delicious and affordable seafood recipe, steamed mussels with garlic white wine sauce. But before we get started, we have a question for you all. Why don't we indulge in mussels more often? These little guys are nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein and vitamin B12, and they're incredibly affordable. We just scored a whopping 4 kilo of mussels at Costco for under $12 Canadian. That's like $9 US. That's a steal for this much deliciousness. Now if you're thinking mussels are just a treat for special occasions, think again. They're a popular dish in Belgium, enjoyed regularly, and we believe they deserve a spot at our tables too. So why wait? Let's get cooking! Let's start building the flavor by chopping half cup of shallots. We use shallots instead of onion because they have milder oniony flavor, which complements the browny taste of the mussels and the acidity of the white wine. Add the chopped shallots and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to a large pot over medium heat. Next, mince about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. The garlic's strong and slightly pungent flavor will entice the appetite and add another layer of flavor. Transfer the garlic into the pot and stir for a minute to prevent the garlic and shallots from browning. Add about half teaspoon of red pepper flakes to add a touch of heat, complexity, and depth of flavor. Dice 1 whole Roma tomato. The tomato adds a touch of acidity that balances the richness of the mussels, and it also adds sweetness and a hint of earthiness. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh or dried thyme to add fragrance to the sauce. And now, just give it a quick stir. Season with salt and black pepper. Continue stirring. Add 2 kg of mussels that have already been cleaned and discard the open ones. Now increase the temperature to medium-high heat and gently stir to combine with the seasonings. Add 1 cup of chicken stock. Now add half cup of dry white wine. The wine will contribute its own subtle aromas and fruitiness to the sauce. Put on the lid and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, or until the mussels open up. Turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. And that concludes the cooking process. Now you have a hot and delicious mussels. The best way to eat mussels in Belgium is with French fries. However, we also enjoy them with a wonderful crusty garlic bread, which can be dipped in a sauce. And this is how we make them. Combine a 1/4 cup of avocado oil and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a bowl. Add a dash of salt and 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. Give it a good mix and set it aside. We are going to toast the bread in an air fryer, and so we're going to slice the French baguette in half. Then slice through the middle like making a sandwich. Brush the baguette with garlic oil evenly. Now slice the bread evenly, about a ½ inch apart. Place the baguette in the air fryer pan like so. The idea is that you want it crusty on the outside and soft on the inside. Air fry for 4 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. That looks perfect. Now we are ready to eat. And there you have it. That's just how we remember it when we were in Belgium. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and types of wine to find your perfect flavor combination. And lastly, before you go, thanks for tuning in. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest recipes. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.